This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barbara Lasky. Fabulous 2-bedroom 2-bath ground floor condo with private front gated garden area. Entry hall leads into a spacious floor plan living/dining room. Looks onto a 20-foot enclosed patio room. Large eat-in kitchen with stainless steel appliances and interior washer/dryer area. Super-sized master bedroom with walk-in closet. Private master bath with walk-in shower. Spacious second bedroom. The enclosed patio overlooks a lake. The community offers a clubhouse with activity/card room, theater for fabulous shows, 2 pools, tennis court, billards room, library, barbecue area and more. 2 pets permitted under 20 pounds. 650 plus credit score required. Walk to shopping and restaurants. 55 plus community. And number 13, maintenance $1,125 quarterly. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Lasky at 954-752-5100.